Today I got a car with AC problem, and just wanted to show you one thing before you change any component or AC compressor. This is a 2004 Acura TL. 2004, 5, 6, 7, all other models, similar procedure. And before you change AC compressor or before you change any other component, I want you to check one thing, all right? If your AC is not working, it could be a simple fix, all right? If you go to a mechanic, if you come to me, I'm gonna do the same thing, all right? Every car has a fuse for the AC compressor and a relay, all right? And it might be a different setup. It might be something controlled by the computer or a switch, all right? And a lot of cars, the fuse goes out. So if you have an Acura TL, if you're using your AC constantly for long time, you could burn out the fuse. It can heat up, and the relay comes on off. Pretty much what it does is inside the relay is it makes a connection on off, just like I'm tapping here, right? So the contact between this piece and the mechanism, it wears out, it gets corroded, carbon builds up. So even though it clicks, it might not make a good contact to pass on voltage to the AC compressor down there. Before you change that $700 to $800 AC compressor, all right, check a fuse. If you have this Acura TL, you're gonna come into this box right here, right? Simple. You're gonna open this box by grabbing on these 4 tabs here. You press here and you press here and you lift this up, all right? Next, what you're gonna do is you can use this to locate the fuse. You see it says clutch right there, magnet clutch. And then right there on top, you have a little ice defrost. That's a relay. So right here, you have a fuse puller, you have a relay. Right next to it is a relay for AC compressor. What you can do is you can swap this relay with you can locate a horn relay, or you could swap it with one of the other relays. Like, it has to be the same relay. It can't be like this green one is different, all right? Just to test it, all right? And also, you can check this fuse right next to this green relay right here, right over here. You're looking at this red fuse right there. It says 7.5 on it. That's a fuse for the AC compressor, right? Which works with this, all right? So this fuse and this works together. What you can do is you can grab this with the plier, you can pull it out, right? And if you look at it right here, all the way in the bottom right here, you have a relay for, what is this? This is the radiator fan. You could swap it with this. If the AC comes on for any reason, swap it back, because you don't want to leave a bad relay into the radiator fan. That will make the car overheat. If it comes on, just replace that relay. Also check this fuse. You could use a test light, or you could just pull it out and look into it, and that's it. It could be simple as a bad fuse or a relay, all right? This car had a bad relay. I changed the relay earlier, so the AC works now. The fuse was good, but the relay was bad. Which one is this one right here? Between these 2 green relays, this is for the magnet clutch of the compressor, and this is the fuse, all right? So I swapped that just to test it with one of the relays here, but then I replaced it, all right? So it took me 20 minutes, no more than that, all right? A lot of times you can change the AC compressor because the AC compressor doesn't come on, but you really have a bad relay or a fuse, all right? And later on you scratch your head, oh, how come the compressor still didn't come on? It could be something else as well. It could be a broken circuit somewhere, but look into this, all right? So thank you for watching, guys, and I need you to subscribe to my channel. If you have any other questions, you can ask me, all right? And make sure you close up the box when you're done. And thank you. Bye-bye.